It's officially baking season, which means endless opportunities to make delicious content. Ever want to film yourself cooking or baking but weren't sure how to set up the shot? In this video, I'm sharing a simple, portable setup that works in kitchens of any size and keeps your smartphone stabilized and charged so you can film as long as it takes you to make a pie from scratch. Welcome back to Platypod TV. I am Riley Arthur. I love baking, and while I'm not the most elegant baker, my treats are delicious. So I wanted to share my latest at-home setup for filming cooking tutorials. Let's dive in. There are plenty of ways you could film this, including a tabletop tripod or the Platypod Delta tripod with the Platypod handle and Platypod grip, but an easier and honestly more epic way to stabilize your phone for this shoot is the new Platypod Mag Deluxe set. The Platypod Mag Deluxe set comes with the Platypod Mag grip, a MagSafe compatible mount that holds your phone firmly in place, attached to the Platypod Basic Plus plate, which is a 4-inch solid aluminum plate. The real game changer, though, is the Platypod Charge Pad. It's a MagSafe compatible wireless charger with a 2-meter USB-C cable and a USB-A adapter. Plug it in, connect your phone, and you can charge while shooting. Perfect for filming long sessions or streaming. To film a cooking demonstration, simply set your phone on the Platypod Mag Deluxe set about 2 feet in front of you. Position a light directly behind your phone to light your face, and you're ready to go. For this cooking video, I wanted to test how long the setup would keep my phone stable and charged. So I chose to bake a pumpkin pie from scratch, something I do every year. Overall, the Platypod Mag Deluxe set was incredibly easy to use, and the charge pad is a surprisingly useful addition to my kit. I'm already dreaming up other ways to use it in my workflow. This setup is also useful if you need to FaceTime with an expert or your mom and call them to see if they have any advice to troubleshoot your cooking. Since the setup is that simple, let me give you a couple of baking tips to fill the time. For the perfect pumpkin pie, I mix pie pumpkins with sweet potatoes for a smoother texture. I grate fresh ginger instead of ground ginger for an extra zing. If you're going through the trouble of making any pie from scratch, make 2, freeze 1 unbaked, and it will bake beautifully whenever you need it. Let me know in the comments what you'd film with the Platypod Mag Deluxe set. If you want a cooking tutorial on how to set up an overhead shot, tell me. Like and subscribe for more photo tutorials and industry insights. If you use Platypod gear for this shoot or any others, tag us on Instagram. We would love to see what you create. For more of my photography and videos, follow me on Instagram at RileyArt. Well, I have a pie to eat, so until next time, stay creative, happy shooting, and I'll catch you in the next frame.